There could be a time where you don't want to let people know how many people have seen your reels. And sometimes when you go to Instagram, you get to see the count of people that have already seen your reels, right? But what if you can hide them? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your view counts on your Instagram reels. For this method, it is only applicable using your mobile phone. I can't find it anywhere using computer. So I'm going to show you phone only. Now, before I begin, if you're new to this channel, do subscribe to this channel so they can get more tips like this. So without further ado, let's jump into my phone and let me show you how you can hide view counts on your Instagram reels. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, open up your Instagram app, then go to bottom right, click on yourself. Just when you click here, you can see all the views: 101, 71, 51, 713, 42, 44, all the views here. Now how to hide them? Very easy. Just go to top right, the three lines, the burger icon, click on it, go to creator tools and controls, click on that, go to view counts on profile. Now this is only available if you have reels in your account. I have another account that I tested. Because that account don't have any reels, only pictures, I won't be able to see the view counts on profile. You need to have reels first, then only can see it. So go to view counts on profile and you can hide view counts. Hide it. Now you go back to the page, to your profile, and just refresh, and then you can see all the numbers are gone. So yeah, that's how you can hide your view count on your Instagram reels.